Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Who here likes soggy pizza? Certainly not me. These 12-inch pizza pans with holes are from Norjac. And since I've been using them, whether I'm making pizza by hand or reheating pizza, my crust is always crispy. These are made from aluminum, and because they're perforated, you get better airflow, which means a crispier crust. Now they have to be hand washed, and of course you don't want to cut on the surface, but otherwise they are remarkably easy to use. You just wash them, store them, grab them whenever you want something crispy and delicious. Now I didn't use these just to make pizza. I also made homemade spinach pies, and I was very happy with the way the crust came out on those. I also warmed up some chicken tenders, and without having to flip them over, they got nice and brown and crispy on both sides. So I'm convinced that the holes on these perforated pizza pans have really contributed to giving me a crispier outer crust. So if soggy pizza crust is your enemy too, then I highly recommend adding these perforated pizza pans. Whether you're making your pizza homemade from scratch or you're just reheating pizza and you want a crispier crust, these perforated holes are going to give you better airflow, so they're going to give you more heat overall on the surface. And the fact that they're aluminum means they're never going to rust on you. And I love the fact that they come 2 in a set, so that's going to keep everyone in the family happy. I highly recommend trying these perforated pizza pans from Norjac, and that is my point of view.